In the world of reality television where rumors often spread faster than truth, few stars have faced as much scrutiny as Tammy Slaton from TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters. Over the years, Tammy has been at the center of countless headlines ranging from her weight loss journey to her persona, health struggles and health battles. Recently, however, a new wave of speculation has surfaced online, linking Tammy to a man named Hunter, with several blogs and social media accounts claiming that the two were in a romantic relationship. The story gained traction quickly, fueling fan speculation and online chatter, but now Tammy Slaton herself has decided to break her silence, setting the record straight once and for all. Her direct response has not only cleared the air but also highlighted just how damaging false reports and fabric act rumors can be to someone who has already faced years of public judgment. The speculation started when a few unverified social media accounts shared images of Tammy with Hunter, a longtime friend of her extended family. Posts began circulating with captions suggesting that Tammy had found love again, claiming that Hunter was her new boyfriend. Some fan pages amplified the rumor with bold statements such as, "Tammy Slaton moves on with Hunter," or "Tammy's secret romance revealed," sparking thousands of comments from followers of the show. The posts quickly went viral in the 1000 LB Sisters fan community, which is known for its active discussions about the Slaton family's personal lives. While some fans congratulated Tammy and expressed excitement for what they believed to be her new relationship, others criticized her, spreading negativity and harsh remarks that only added fuel to the fire. But after remaining silent for several days, Tammy took to social media in her own words to debunk the speculation. In a candid video, she looked directly into the camera and said that the rumors about her being in a relationship with Hunter were completely false. She made it clear that Hunter is just a friend, someone she knows but has no romantic involvement with, and she expressed frustration that people are so quick to believe and spread unverified information. According to Tammy, the fake story not only upset her but also caused unnecessary stress to her loved ones, who had to deal with intrusive questions and judgment from strangers who believed the gossip. She pointed out that it is hard enough navigating her own health journey and recovery without being constantly dragged into baseless rumors. Tammy's statement has sparked important conversations about the way reality TV stars are treated by online communities. While 1000 LB Sisters has given her and her family fame and opportunities, it has also placed them under a microscope where every move, father, ship, or picture is analyzed for hidden meaning. Tammy has previously addressed how difficult it is to live life in the public eye, especially when people make assumptions about her relationships. She has been married before, and the end of her relationship with Caleb Willingham was widely covered in the media, which left her dealing with both heartbreak and public commentary. Fans know that she has been through emotional ups and downs, and this is precisely why the Hunter rumor hit such a nerve with her. To Tammy, it felt like yet another example of the internet manufacturing drama at her expense. What stands out most about Tammy's response is the way she has taken control of her narrative. By speaking up directly, she cut through the speculation and reminded fans that she deserves respect, privacy, and dignity. Many of her loyal supporters praised her for addressing the issue head-on. In the comments under her post, fans wrote messages like, "You don't owe anyone explanations, but thank you for setting it straight," and "We love you Tammy, don't let fake news get you down." Others expressed disappointment in the media outlets and bloggers who ran with the story without verifying it. This backlash has reignited the ongoing debate about accountability in entertainment journalism and the dangers of clickbait culture. Interestingly, Hunter himself has reportedly been caught off guard by the attention. Sources close to him have hinted that he never expected his name to be dragged into online rumors and that the situation has been awkward for him and his own family. He has not made a public statement yet, but those who know him say he values his friendship with the Slatons and would never want to cause them distress. For Tammy, though, the ordeal has been a reminder of how even innocent friendships can be twisted into tabloid-style stories when you live life in front of cameras. The 1000 LB Sisters fanbase is no stranger to controversies involving Tammy. Over the past seasons, she has dealt with everything from accusations of unhealthy relationships to constant debates about her progress after weight loss surgery. Every step of her recovery, from rehab stays to her triumphant moments of walking unassisted, has been dissected and commented on by fans and critics alike. For Tammy, the fake romance rumor was yet another obstacle she had to face, but this time, instead of ignoring it, she decided to reclaim her voice. In doing so, she reminded everyone that behind the TV drama and headlines, she is still a real person with real emotions. This moment also speaks to a larger issue within the reality TV landscape. Shows like 1000 LB Sisters are designed to give viewer an inside look at the lives of their cast members, but fans often forget that what they see on screen is only a fraction of the full story. Reality stars like Tammy live with the consequences long after the cameras stop rolling, and when false stories spread online, those consequences can be even more damaging. Experts on media culture have noted that celebrity rumors can take a toll on mental health, especially for those already dealing with personal struggles. For Tammy, who has openly discussed her battles with depression, loneliness, and the pressure of weight loss, fake relationship rumors only add unnecessary stress. Still, Tammy's willingness to confront the lies head-on may end up strengthening her bond with her fan base. In the past year, she has already earned praise for her resilience, for embracing her healthier lifestyle, and for showing fans that she can adapt and grow despite the challenge. Her weight loss journey has inspired thousands who watch the show, and now her latest stand against fake news is being seen as another example of her growth. By refusing to let false claims define her, Tammy is taking an empowering step forward, not just for herself but for others in similar situations who face rumors and gossip in their own lives. As 1000 LB Sisters continues to capture the ups and downs of the Slayton family, moments like this remind us that reality TV is not just about entertainment, it also impacts real lives. Tammy Slayton's public denial of her alleged relationship with Hunter may seem like just another story in the endless cycle of reality star news, but to her it represents something deeper, the ongoing struggle to be seen for who she truly is rather than what others invent about her. For fans who truly support her, it's a wake-up call to be more discerning about what they read online and more compassionate about the human being behind the screen. In the end, Tammy Slayton's message is clear. She is not dating Hunter. She has no interest in fueling gossip, and she deserves the space to live her life without being shadowed by baseless speculation. Her voice in this moment carries weight not only for herself but also as a reflection of the broader problem with fake news in today's digital world. If anything, this episode has shown that while rumors may spread quickly, the truth still matters, and Tammy Slayton is determined to make sure her truth is heard loud and clear. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.